All right, so let's talk about some results. We run campaigns for all types of dealerships, from Chevy, GMC, Toyota, Hyundai, pre-owned, you name it, we do it. We've even done highline cars like Lexus, Cadillac, BMW, and even Mercedes. Now, you want to hear something cool? We absolutely destroy it week in, week out for our Chevy dealers. Here are some results for some of our past events. 1 week event, 100 appointments. 1 week event, 54 appointments, 58 appointments, 61 appointments, 66 appointments, 68 appointments, 81 appointments, 93 appointments. 2 week event, 113 appointments, 126 appointments. 1 week event, 151 appointments, 141 appointments, 137 appointments, 169 appointments. 3 week event, 227 appointments. 1 week event, 247 appointments set in a week. Again, none of those instances where they had triple the ad spend that they would normally run. Just so you guys know, if you decide that you want to do campaigns with us and you want to spend more, 100% of whatever you give us on top of the price that we quote you, that's all going to go towards ad spend. And we deliver. We're going to deliver the same results for you as we deliver for them.